let's make sure that this 9% party in parliament is supported, because when we fight in parliament, it's as if we have 90%, but yet we have 9%. Imagine if we get 50 plus 1% in parliament, the lives of our people is going to change for the better. Comrades, the 1976 youth was killed because it was refusing people to take over our land. The same way the children of Palestine are fighting. We are with the children of Palestine because we were there before. We know how it feels to be oppressed and to be dispossessed of your land. We were dispossessed of our land, and that's why we are on the side of the dispossessed, and that is the children of Palestine. We are with Iran. How can Israel just go and bomb Iran and expect Iran not to defend itself? Iran must defend itself like every country that is attacked.